As you learn more tangles, Zentangle patterns, you start mixing and matching them. And the beauty is that you end up with so many different diversified, even though some of them are similar, it looks very different. It becomes something brand new. That is the cool thing about learning more and more patterns, is there's commonality in some patterns, and using the same patterns mixed with other patterns gives you a total different Zentangle experience. Notice these, I don't know if you can see that. These two are very similar. My camera. These two. Notice this. Notice a very similar type of experience here. Here's another one that shows a very similar pattern. So if we put all these together, you get to see how one type of pattern, even though they might have different names, looks very different. And when it mixes and matches with other patterns, it's brand new. Oh, these two are good. So I'll move these aside. Now I'm not done with this one yet, but look at this one. And notice how it just spins around. See if I have that on any others. I do not. The cool thing is, notice these are very similar. Let's see what oh, here's another one with that other group. So the cool thing is, when you learn tangles, you're not limited at all. You mix, you match. Here are some that go with this one. Look at that. Here's another one that goes with that one. Here's another one. So you can see how many variations there are. It's limitless. When you know more and more tangles, you can do more and more mixing and matching, trying new things. Look at this one. I like this one because here I have poke leaf. Here I have poke leaf. Here I have, do I have it anywhere else? Yep. Here I have poke leaf. Here I have poke root. Let's see. Here's poke leaf over here in the corners. The cool thing is it's limitless. And that's why to learn more and more tangles is the way to go. And then you end up with a whole variation of new tangles and new patterns and new art pieces that you can do in Zentangle. And remember, we do not use erasers. We do not use any type of rulers or any kind of ways to create circles. Everything's freeform. So sometimes freeform doesn't look so great. I can always tell on a Zentangle site when I see Zentangles if somebody actually did use a ruler or a half of a cup to draw a circle. It looks great, but it's not a pure Zentangle if you're using those tools to create. So keep learning new things, keep trying, and don't stop. It's the coolest thing as you learn more things and mix and match and find patterns and how they work together or don't work together. It's just the coolest thing to see what you can come up with. Here we go, here, and how it looks different on different tiles. And remember, you're not limited to tiles. You can do, this is watercolor paper. There's just so many ways to do this. People also will tangle on to a statue. They'll do watercolors behind their tangles, or tangles on top of watercolors. It's just, there's poke root. There's just so many ways to do tangling, and don't be limited. Try new things. I can't wait to see what you come up with.